Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect form after submission to external URL in Wix form in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So this is our form. So click on it and then you see form settings. So again click on it and then you see Wix form pop up and then you see multiple options. And then you see submit message, so click on it and then you see when visitor submit a form. So after form submission we are going to redirect visitor to external URL. So you can select link to external URL, so click on it and then you see web address. So you can add your external URL link here, web address. So we are going to add google.com. After form submission visitor redirect to google.com and then click on done and then click on publish. Now you see site publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in about page and then go to form section. So we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done and then redirect to google.com. Also you receive all form information to your email address and also in inbox in Wix dashboard. First go to Wix dashboard and then you see inbox, so click on it. Now you see this is a form submission we receive in inbox. Now go to Gmail to check. So this is form submission we receive on our Gmail address. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.